Hi, this is Chadley DoRight here. I kind of wanted to say a couple things. It looks like it's getting ready to rain. It's the 4th of July and I'm messing around with this garage still. I'm leaving a few of these nails in that I can't get to because this thing's not ready to come off. We'll worry about them when it's ready to come apart. So like basically where there's the beams run across the other side I can't get. So I've got all these loose on this top board. So what I'm going to do is pull these nails out and it doesn't hurt to have a pail or bucket nearby to put all the old nails in. Now sometimes you have one that's stuck. Let's do that and normally it'll come loose. If it's worse than that, you can always spray a little bit of WD-40 on it and come back to it later. But this one's kind of stuck. I figured it would be. So we're going to spray it, come back to it. So we'll get the rest of them that are mostly easy. One's hard, easy. The ones that are difficult to come out. And I'm going to go with the Vise Grips. If the head breaks off, just leave it alone and you can worry about getting it later on. This one's going to fight me. There we go. There we go. Anyways, just proceed like that and until you get them all out. Chadley DoRight out.